Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest products to enhance your cooking experience. In today's video, we're going to be discussing the top 5 best steamer baskets of 2023. Steaming is a great way to cook your food in a healthier and more flavorful way, and a steamer basket is the perfect tool to help you achieve that. So without further ado, let's dive in. Our first product on the list is the Joseph Bloom Steamer Basket. Bloom is the updated model of the previous Lotus steamer. The steamer's self-adjusting sides allow it to fit a variety of pots and pans. Minimum pot diameter 7 inches. Features an easy lift fork hook. Made of BPA-free polypropylene and silicone. Large capacity when fully open, but folds neatly away for storage. Closed, 6 in diameter x 5 in tall. Open, 10.5 in diameter x 5 in tall. Dishwasher safe. Suitable for use in non-stick pots. Not suitable for use in a microwave or pressure cooker. Fits variety of pots and pans. Self-adjusting sides allow it to fit a variety of cookware. Minimum pot diameter 7 inches. Easy lift fork hook. Made of BPA-free polypropylene and silicone. Suitable for use in non-stick pots. Not suitable for use in a microwave or pressure cooker. Compact storage. Large capacity when fully open, but folds neatly away for storage. Closed, 6 in diameter x 5 in tall. Open, 10.5 in diameter x 5 in tall. Dishwasher safe. Next up, we have the Steamer Basket Stainless Steel Vegetable Steamer Basket. The foldable steamer basket is made of food-grade stainless steel, which is rust-proof, harmless, and durable. The holes on steamer basket are for easy steaming and draining. Opens like a water lily and it folds compactly to save storage space. Constructed with collapsible 18 panels that can be adjusted up to 5 inches to 9 inches. The panels that fold in and out allow the steamer fit various pot, pan sizes. 3 removable legs design. It can be retracted to lay completely flat in pots. They are 1 inch in length to keep food above boiling water so that it helps retain more than 90% of the nutrients lost when either boiling or microwaving food. 2.4 removable handle helps easy place to the deep pots and handle hoop for lifting it from the boiling water with a fork, so your hands are safe from burn or heat. The vegetable steamer can be multi-used as a strainer, fruit basket, or serving bowl. The foldable steamer basket also can be used to steam veggies, seafood, eggs, meats, desserts, baby food, and much more. Simply place the basket, feet side down, in your pot of choice. When you are ready to put away, then fold into its original half size. The legs can be screwed off and it takes up less space than bamboo steamer baskets. Product description: ZOCY steamer basket and instant pot accessories and vegetable steamer. Features: made of food-grade stainless steel, rust-proof, harmless, and durable. Steam foods preserves flavor and nutrients. Adjustable size to fit in various pots. 3 legs at the bottom keep food separate from the pot. Folding designs for storing easily. Removable central handle for steaming larger food. Perfect for steaming fruit and vegetables for making baby food. Dishwasher safe, making it easy and faster to clean. Easy to use, time saving. Moving on to our third product, we have the Avocado Silicone Steamer Basket. Save time, made with BPA-free FDA food-grade silicone for easy cleanup. Designed to save you time, unlike wire mesh baskets which have tiny holes in them that trap food and take extra time to clean. Simply wipe and rinse or pop into the dishwasher, and you're done. Rust and dent free. Unlike wire mesh baskets which can rust and be harmful to you and your kid's body, this 3QT Instant Pot Vegetable Steamer will never rust or scratch your IP or non-stick pots and doesn't dent if accidentally dropped. Avocado Guarantee. Our 3QT Install Pot Steamer Basket is designed to make cooking easier for you, not harder. If you're not satisfied with your purchase, just contact us for a full refund within 30 days. Pressure cooker compatibility. Compatible with 8-quart Instapot, Ninja Foodie, other multi-cookers, and most stovetop pots. Acts as a great silicone strainer to wash veggies before pressure cooking. Fun and easy pressure cooking. Made out of the same material as most baby teethers, which is soft to touch and safe to cook with. Enjoy making a healthy home-cooked meal with your kids and family without the hassle of extra cleanup. Our fourth product on the list is the 2-pack Vegetable Steamer Baskets. Healthier cooking choices. The steamer basket with high-quality stainless steel petals, convenient removal handle, and long feet for your healthy eating. Steaming is a healthy cooking choice because it helps retain more than 90% of the nutrients lost when either boiling or microwaving food. The foldable steamer basket can be used to steam veggies, seafood, eggs, meats, desserts, baby food, and much more. Long legs. 3 long legs ensure your pot has enough water to steam. 1.25 inches in length keeps food above boiling water so it doesn't burn. The central post helps with easy lowering, removal into deep pots, and can be removed to steam large items like corn on the cob and fish. When your food is ready, remove it from the boiling water with a fork so you won't burn your fingers. Highly polished surface prevents food from sticking to the steamer and make the cleaning easily. Expandable and collapsible. Large vegetable steamer basket collapse diameter is 6 inches. It expands to 11 inches once petals are stretched out. Small collapse diameter is 5.3 inches and expands to 9.5 inches. The wings that fold in and out allow the steamer fit various pot, pan sizes or pressure cooker, turning any pan into a steamer. Opens like a water lily and it folds compactly to save storage space unlike bulky bamboo steamers. No need for an expensive specialized steamer pot. Multiple functions, not just a food steamer basket. It can also be used as a strainer or fruit container. Use it to strain water when making salad. This steamer food is a must-have for anyone who wants to get more health into their diet. It comes in a perfect-sized box, makes it an awesome gift for your family and friends. Use it as a veggie steamer basket in a pot or as an instant pot steamer basket. With 2 sizes to choose from, you will always have a steamer for cooking on hand. Eat healthy and smart. This steaming basket will be your best friend in helping you make healthy food choices. Our steam baskets can be used as a tamale steamer pot as well. Use as an asparagus steamer, tamale steamer, and Instapot steamer basket. 3-in-1 steamer basket set. The Sensible Needs steamer basket set comes complete with the following: 1. 1 large steamer basket. 2. 1 standard size steamer basket. 3. 1 universal basket hook for safe handling of steaming hot baskets. Last but not least, we have the original Hatrigo steamer basket. Rust-free with sturdy handle. Did you know that the other brand claims to use quality stainless steel, but their basket rusted? Putting your food in a rusted basket can be harmful to you and your kid's body. Their handle is defective and pops out loose while carrying food. Imagine all that hot food spilling all over you and possibly getting burned. Totally unsafe. At Hatrigo, we only use the highest quality material and ensure you and your kids' health and safety is our top priority. Custom designed steamer basket to fit inside the pot, trusted by customers. As shown in the 1000 seconds of 5-star reviews, we wanted to design instant pot accessories that would make your cooking experience easier and efficient. We design multiple size vegetable steamer basket to fit your custom need. Whether you have a Duo 60, Duo 80, Ultra, Mini, Lux 60 V3, or the Power Pressure Cooker XL, we have the right size pressure cooker accessories for you to choose from. Make pressure cooking fun for your kids. We encourage you to try new recipes and have fun cooking with your family and kids. That's why we designed the steamer basket with food-grade silicone handle. Unlike other brands, our handle is wrapped in silicone to prevent any burns from lifting out the egg basket from hot pots. Tested and approved by busy working moms. We care about your investment. The Hatrigo vegetable steamer is the only basket on the market to have silicone-wrapped legs on the base of the basket. Unlike the trivet, this steamer pot will help prevent scratching your inner pot liner, so your pressure cooker will last for many more years. The best part is that the silicone legs help prevent slipping when removing your steamer insert basket and placing it on the counter. Don't let your hard-working cooked food spill on the floor. 1000 seconds of happy customers. If you're not completely satisfied with your steamer basket accessory, please contact us and we will refund or replace your product immediately. Connect with us on Facebook social media for customer support.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.